Hello guys, my name is Jan Valoy. I'm the sales director of Pythagoras, and today I want to show you how we can vectorize a floor plan and a section in a Navis point cloud. First we start by importing the point cloud by going to import, of course, point cloud, and then we go look for the Navis point cloud in this case, and we just open it. Now the point cloud will be imported in 2D, in a 2D map, but can be viewed, of course, in 3D. With the Orbit tool, we can maneuver through the point cloud. We can zoom in, zoom out to have a look at the point cloud. This is already converted point cloud, so we use our own format to view very quickly and to read very quickly in point clouds and in Pythagoras. So we can convert LAS, LAZ, LAS, and text point clouds into our own format. First, we will create a floor plan in this point cloud by selecting the section box tool and to draw a section box in a certain direction, following a certain line. With the section box tool, we also have the possibility to change the dimensions of the section box to create an ideal slice in this point cloud that we can later on use to automatically vectorize and to finalize the floor plan. In this case, we produce a slice of the upper part of the room. Why? Because then we have all the walls. If you want to have the windows in the slice, then you can move the slice up and down to see those windows and doors in the slice. So now the slice is ready to be vectorized. This is very easy. We go to the top menu, point cloud, and we choose vectorize section. The algorithm will start looking for straight lines in this slice of the point cloud automatically. Now the algorithm is finished, and if we switch off the point cloud, then we see the result and we can move around in this result. So these are all points and lines automatically created by Pythagoras. Moving back to the 2D window, we can start editing the result by deleting objects and trimming and extending a combination of lines to create one nice looking map. When the editing is complete, we will first add a polygon. So this is like an hatch to fill up the closed area between the lines. First, we will start to annotate the lines. So we select the line annotation tool and just click the lines that we want to be annotated, so to create dimensions. And we will move these annotations or dimensions to create a nice looking project map. We can also annotate the area by selecting the area annotation tool from the drop-down list and clicking the polygon. Then the area is shown as a text in the map. We can also, of course, edit the look of this annotation by double-clicking. Now I will select all objects to put them in a specific layer. In this case, I will choose floor plan as the layer name. Next step is to build the layout. First of all, I move the sheet to the left from the actual objects. Then I select the objects and separate them from the point cloud, as you will see. So now I switch the point cloud on, and you will see that the objects moved away from the point cloud. So the floor plan is finished now. So we move back to the 3D to create a new section box in order to create or to vectorize a section in the same room. We follow the same routine and draw the section box following a certain line, a direction in the point cloud. And then we can change or edit the dimensions to come up with a slice of a section in this point cloud. So after editing and moving the section box, we end up with a good slice that is usable for vectorization. The principle is the same. We go to point cloud vectorize section and the algorithm will do all the work, and we'll start looking for points and lines in this slice. Again, switching off the point cloud shows you the result, so the points and lines that are created by the algorithm. Moving back to the 2D window, we see the result top down. So we switch off the point cloud and we need to have a side view. So we do this by creating two coordinate systems. The first coordinate system follows the line of the created objects, and the second one is the location where we want the side view of this section. Then we select all the objects, copy them, and paste them in the new system while switching the Z and the Y axis. And then we get the side view as we see here. We don't need the coordinate systems anymore. We don't need the objects, the created objects anymore. So we can erase them by selecting them and just hit the delete button or the delete coordinate system tool. Now we can move the side view of the section to a good location in the map. There it is. And now we can start to edit. So we can start deleting points and lines, or we can start trimming and extending lines so they connect to each other. As in the floor plan, we can add polygons, so we can fill up the closed area by clicking in the closed area or by selecting the points and lines of that area. And we can change the color and the style or the pattern of the polygons. Now we annotate the lines by clicking the horizontal length tool and then clicking on the lines. Dimensions will be created in reference to the click lines, and of course these annotations can be moved to a good location to make it look a little bit better. So now we will finalize the layout. So first of all, we need to change the scale of the drawing to fill up the layout. And in this case, I will change it to a scale 1 to 200 and move all the objects or grouped objects, so they fill the layout nicely. We can also add some text to clarify what is shown in the map. So I will add two text windows. One is floor plan room 1 and the second one will be about a section. We can change font, the thickness, the size, the style and so on of these text windows. So now we will duplicate the first text and move it to the section, and now we can change the text in this text window so it matches what is shown there. The last step is creating the actual layout by switching from local coordinate system to the page coordinate system. So everything we draw in the page coordinate system will be linked to the page or to the sheet. So first of all, we draw the borders of the layout using normal lines. So we just draw these lines, create offsets to certain lines, and now we edit the style, so we edit the color and the thickness of the layout objects. A last line that we need to draw here in the middle, and now on the right hand side I will import the Navis logo. So I will import it in the document, just select the Navis logo. Yeah, it's too big, so I need to change the scale to 25% in the X and the Y direction, and now I can move this Navis logo to the correct location. And finally I will add a description text on the left bottom. Also change the style and the thickness, make it bold, move it so it's not fitting there, so I need to split it up. Okay, like this. Okay, and I want to center it a little bit more, so I choose a different alignment, a centered alignment. There it is. So my map is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial video, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.